Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to comment sticker, GIF, and photo on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll have to go and open TikTok application on your phone. So here I have it. After opening it, you should now go to Messages, so click on the inbox on the bottom right side and then go to any message, and now you can message stickers by clicking on this sticker icon on the right side. You can search for any sticker that you actually need. You can add it to favorite, and if you want even to add a GIF, here you have this GIF, for example, you can even search for more GIFs. I will search for GIF, for example. And here I have some like this one here, for example. And now, if you want to send a photo, simply click on this photo icon on the bottom right side. So here you have it. I can send this photo, for example, click on Send, and here I have the photo sent to the contact that I message. And that's it. So that's basically how you can comment sticker, GIF, and photo on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.